Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming support and updating firmware so Secure Boot has the features it needs. Once done, make a full disk image backup and set a BIOS supervisor password to prevent tampering. Then reboot and enter UEFI settings using the vendor hotkey, locate boot mode and secure boot options. You need UEFI boot mode, not legacy. Make sure to note current settings. This prevents lockouts if you must revert. Now proceed to change boot mode and key options. You now switch boot mode to UEFI if it still uses legacy or CSM. This step is required because Secure Boot validates UEFI binaries. Once in UEFI, select Secure Boot key options, use vendor standard keys for easiest compatibility, or clear and enroll your own keys if you control the platform. For Linux users, enroll a machine owner key and sign kernels and drivers. That lets the bootloader and kernel validate. Make sure to save changes, and note any key enrollment prompts you must approve on next boot. You enable Secure Boot in firmware and save settings, then perform a clean reboot to confirm the system boots normally. After boot, verify the state. Windows shows Secure Boot on in-system information. On Linux, use mokutil or sbctl to confirm keys and status. If the machine fails to boot, use your backup to restore firmware settings or disable Secure Boot temporarily, then remove or re-sign problematic drivers. Finally, make a note of the successful configuration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.